Feeling stuck in a creative rut? Or maybe you're searching for your next groundbreaking idea? Join me as I dive into the world of AI freelance tools to find the ultimate solutions for boosting creativity and productivity. Can these tools truly revolutionize the way we work? Let's find out. We've all been there, staring at a blank screen, struggling to come up with ideas, and wondering if we'll ever break through that creative block. It's frustrating, demotivating, and frankly, exhausting. But what if I told you there's a way to not only overcome these blocks but also supercharge your creativity? AI freelance tools are here to do just that. These tools use artificial intelligence to stimulate fresh ideas, analyze data, and help you see patterns and opportunities you might have missed. From content creation and research assistance to trend prediction and global insights, AI can empower you to unlock your full potential. Today, we're exploring 10 powerful tools that can transform your workflow, and maybe even your career. Creative blocks can feel like hitting a brick wall, frustrating and draining. You've tried brainstorming, mind mapping, even scrolling social media for inspiration, but nothing seems to work. That's where AI freelance tools can be a game changer. These tools are designed to enhance your creativity by analyzing data, generating ideas, and providing unique perspectives. Imagine having a virtual assistant that sparks new ideas and helps you break through those moments of doubt and stagnation. Now, let's dive into the tools that can take your freelancing game to the next level. First in the list is Jasper AI. This AI writing assistant helps you craft compelling blogs, ads, and emails effortlessly. It's perfect for overcoming writer's block and getting those creative juices flowing. Second, we have DALL-E. If you need eye-catching visuals or unique illustrations, this tool generates stunning images from simple text prompts, making it a favorite for creative freelancers. Third on the list is Grammarly, an essential tool for anyone who writes. It polishes your grammar, spelling, and style, ensuring your content is always professional and error-free. Fourth, we have Canva AI tools. For freelancers working with visuals, Canva's AI features offer creative design suggestions that make your layout stand out effortlessly. Fifth is ChatGPT. This versatile tool helps you brainstorm ideas, conduct research, or draft client proposals in minutes. It's a game changer for saving time and boosting productivity. Sixth, let's talk about Trello plus Butler AI. Stay organized and streamline your project management with automated tasks and reminders, perfect for keeping your workflow efficient. Seventh on the list is Tableau. This tool turns complex data into actionable insights and visualizations, making it invaluable for freelancers working in analytics or strategy-driven projects. Eighth, we have Copy.ai. Create persuasive sales copy, engaging ads, or even catchy taglines with this user-friendly AI tool, designed to save time and maximize impact. Ninth is SEMrush. Take your SEO strategy to the next level with AI-driven insights into keywords, trends, and competition. It's perfect for freelancers looking to optimize content and drive traffic. And finally, rounding out the list is Synthesia. Easily produce professional, AI-powered video content for client presentations or your portfolio. It's a great tool for creating engaging multimedia projects. Each of these tools offers unique benefits to freelancers, helping you save time, spark creativity, and elevate your projects. Take Sarah, a freelance writer struggling to come up with fresh ideas for her blog. She discovered Jasper AI, a powerful content generation tool that uses natural language processing to suggest topics, outlines, and even draft ideas. Suddenly, Sarah wasn't stuck anymore. She could generate engaging content, increase her productivity, and attract a whole new audience to her blog. The best part? Jasper AI didn't take away Sarah's creative control. Instead, it enhanced her abilities, giving her a fresh perspective and a steady stream of inspiration to build on. The real power of AI lies in how you use it. Whether it's automating repetitive tasks or generating fresh ideas, these tools are here to complement your skills, not replace them. The key is to pair these tools strategically with your expertise to create something truly exceptional. Unleash your creativity with these AI tools and elevate your workflow. Now it's your turn to explore the possibilities. Dive into these AI freelance tools and experiment with how they can enhance your workflow. Have you tried any of these tools, or do you have a favorite? Share your experiences and insights in the comments below. We'd love to hear how AI is transforming your projects. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on data science and AI. See you in the next video.